the important question in this chapter is the pressure acts on ideal gas is in the container has insulating has elastic walls. Now what is the equation we get in the last class? Means the pressure or average pressure acts on the gas molecules in a container which has elastic walls is P is equal to 1 by 3 mn V RMS square. Now today we want to discuss a relation between pressure and kinetic energy of the gas molecules in the container or in the enclosure. And we know the equation. Pressure of an ideal gas is P is equal to 1 by 3 mn VRMS square. Root means square. Now P is equal to 1 by 3. How we can take small n, capital N by V? V is the value. N is the all the particles in the container. Okay. P is equal to 1 by 3 small m capital N by capital V VRMS square. We know the principle for the density. What is the principle for the density? Mass per volume. Density is mass per volume, means mass of all particles in the enclosure by volume of the enclosure. Mn means m is mass of only one particle, but all particles we can consider. Why? Density is equal to mass per total volume. That's why the density, how we can write? Mn by V, that I am substituted in this place. So what we can get? P is equal to 1 by 3 rho. It is called as rho. Rho VRMS square. Means another equation we get it here. It is in terms of pressure and density. The P is equal to 1 by 3 rho VRMS square. What is the rho? Rho is the density of all gas molecules in the enclosure. Now, actual what we want to establish? We want to establish the relation between pressure and kinetic energy. Okay, kinetic energy per unit volume. We know the formula of kinetic energy. Kinetic energy formula is half mv square, half m VRMS square. It is a kinetic energy equation. But what we are taken here? Kinetic energy per unit volume. Kinetic energy per, it is a value. Again, mass per volume is also taken as density VRMS square. Now, I am multiplied this equation by 3 and also divide by 3. I am multiplied these with 3 and also divides with 3. So, E is equal to half 1 by 3 rho VRMS square into 3. We know the and 3 and 1 by 2 becomes 3 by 2, 1 by 3 rho VRMS square. 1 by 3 rho VRMS square is how much? P. 1 by 3 rho VRMS is equal to how much? P. So, what we can get? E is equal to 3 by 2 P. What is E? Kinetic energy of gas molecules in per unit volume is equal to how much? 3 by 2 times the pressure of an ideal gas. Otherwise, the pressure of an ideal gas is 2 by 3 times the which one? Kinetic energy per unit volume of the gas molecule. You take this one or this one. So, anyhow, what is the relation between E and P? Proportional relation. E proportional to P or P proportional to E. Now you take E is equal to 3 by 2 P, or if you take P, 2 by 3 into E. Okay, this is the relation between the pressure of an ideal gas which is in a container and kinetic energy of the ideal gas molecule in the container is how much? E is equal 3 by 2 P. Okay, here we are established the relation between pressure and kinetic energy. Next, kinetic interpretation of temperature. This is a very important question in this chapter for 4 marks. Kinetic interpretation means kinetic energy of gas molecule interpreted with of the temperature. Now we want to derive that. How we can write it? From this only we will get the definition of absolute temperature. We get the definition of absolute temperature. Okay, we know that one. The pressure of an ideal gas is P is equal 1 by 3 m n by V Vrms square. You take V here. PV is equal 1 by 3 m n V Rms square. This is the value. Take here. So what is the equation? PV is equal 1 by 3 m capital N V Rms square. Now I have multiplied this equation with 2 divided by 2. I have multiplied this equation by 2 and divided by 2. Now let us take 2 and by 3 is there, 2 by 3, then half taken in the bracket, half m Vrms square into n, Vrms square into n. So we know that one, half m Vrms square is kinetic energy of only one particle, but all particles we can write, that we can write kinetic energy for all particles is half m small m Vrms square into n. So what is the PV? PV is equal 2 by 3 into E. Here P is equal 2 by 3 E. But here what happened? It is per unit volume. Volume is how much? Here 1. But here I am not mentioned the volume is 1. Here volume is 1. But here volume is not 1. That's why what is the equation? PV is equal 2 by 3 E. What is the E? Kinetic energy. Now, the perfect gas equation, we know that one, PV is equal to Na. Na means Avogadro number, Kb, Boltzmann constant into T. For perfect gas, equation is PV is equal to Na, Kb into T. Let us take this is equation 1 and here take equation, it is equation 2, it is equation 1. And from 1 and 2, at the place of PV, at the place of PV, you can substitute this value. 2 by 3E is equal to Na kBt. And you take this 3 by 2 in this side. So what we can get? 3 by 2 into Na kBt. What is this one? This is the kinetic energy of the gas molecule. Here kinetic energy of the gas molecule in the container is proportional to the temperature or absolute temperature. But the kinetic energy of the gas molecule is not depends on volume, is not depends on pressure. The kinetic energy of the gas molecule E is not depends on pressure, not depends on volume, and also not depends on nature of the gas. Okay, now what is the equation for the kinetic energy of the gas molecules? P is equal to 3 by 2 Na kBt. Na means Avogadro number constant, Kb is Boltzmann constant, is a constant. So this energies depends on which one? Absolute temperature. Means what is the kinetic energy of the gas molecules? The kinetic energy of the gas molecules is 3 by 2 Na Kb into T. We know the equation for kinetic energy, half mv square. Okay, this is correct for all particles, but for gas molecules we have one special equation. For gas molecules we have special equation. What is that equation? E is equal to 3 by 2 Na kBT. And not only that, the kinetic energy of gas molecule also having another equation, but per unit volume is 3 by 2 P. Per unit volume is 3 by 2 P if it is per unit value. But anyhow, the gas molecules is proportional to the absolute temperature. We know the definition for kinetic energy. When the object is in a motion, it possesses energy. When object is in a motion, it possesses the energy is called kinetic energy. But kinetic energy of the equation for all objects is half mv square. But for gases, what is the equation for the kinetic energy? E is equal to 3 by 2 Na kBT. The gas molecule's kinetic energy depends on absolute temperature. From this equation, we get the definition of absolute temperature. Now, what is the equation for the absolute temperature? At which temperature the kinetic energy of the gas molecules is 0? At which temperature the kinetic energy of the gas molecules is 0? That temperature is called absolute temperature or zero absolute temperature. Its value is how much? 0 Kelvin, otherwise minus 273.15 degrees centigrade. How much the value of zero absolute temperature? 0 Kelvin or minus 273.15 degrees centigrade. How we can define that? That we can define as at which temperature the kinetic energy of the gas molecules is 0, that temperature is called absolute temperature. What is the meaning of that? At the temperature, gas is present, molecules also present but not moves. Gas molecule is present but not moves. When it is not moves, when its temperature is 0 Kelvin, that is called absolute temperature. Okay, is it clear? And from this equation we get the definition of absolute temperature. Okay, and this kinetic interpretation of temperature is very important in this chapter for 4 marks. And from this what we can get? We get the definition of the temperature.